How to find recently deleted files on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find recently deleted files on Android phone. First, then open files, and then and here we'll find recently deleted. Click on it, and as you see, that's it. Here you can find all your recently deleted files, and you can restore any file you want. Here just click on it and click restore, and that's it. Then just go back, it will be saved. You can remove all those recently deleted files. Just click clear, and that's it. Don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.